So what I'm working today, it's a very common issue with the Lennox heat pumps. If you don't have any 24 volts or your transformer is bad, there is a reason behind it. So what I found is a low voltage short rubbing against one of the copper wires at the condenser. So because of all the vibration, so go ahead and wrap this with insulation tape or fix the wire and then introduce power back to the transformer. All right, good luck.